Welcome back to your go-to destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and all things two-wheeled. If you're passionate about classic designs fused with modern engineering, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Kawasaki W800, a motorcycle that beautifully marries retro aesthetics with modern technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the W800 promises an experience that's both nostalgic and exhilarating. The 2026 W800 continues Kawasaki's tradition of blending classic design with contemporary elements. The new metallic Diablo black color scheme, complemented by a gold pinstripe, exudes a timeless elegance. The period-correct W emblem on the fuel tank and the chrome-finished components enhance its vintage appeal. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank, round headlamp, and wire-spoke wheels are reminiscent of motorcycles from a bygone era. The attention to detail is evident, with chrome fenders and engine casings that gleam under the sun, capturing the essence of classic motorcycles. At the heart of the W800 lies a 773 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, parallel twin engine. This four-stroke powerhouse delivers 48 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and a torque of 62.9 Nm at 4,800 RPM. The engine's 360-degree crankshaft design ensures the authentic retro motorcycle sound and feel, reminiscent of the original W series. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox, the W800 offers smooth gear transitions, making city commutes and long highway rides equally enjoyable. The fuel injection system ensures consistent performance, while the dual throttle valves provide increased power and greater ease of use. The W800's double cradle, high-tensile steel frame offers a balance between rigidity and flexibility, ensuring stability at high speeds and agility in tight corners. The front features a 41 mm telescopic fork with 130 mm of travel, while the rear boasts twin shock absorbers with spring preload adjustability, offering 107 mm of travel. The 19-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, shod with tube-type tires, provide a comfortable ride over various terrains. The 226 kilograms curb mass ensures a planted feel on the road, giving riders confidence in their handling. Safety is paramount, and the W800 doesn't disappoint. The front brake comprises a 320 mm disc with a dual-piston caliper, while the rear features a 270 mm disc with a dual-piston caliper. These brakes ensure reliable stopping power in various conditions. The inclusion of ABS, anti-lock braking system, further enhances safety, preventing wheel lock during braking and ensuring stable braking performance. The W800's seat height stands at 790 mm, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. The ergonomic design of the riding position ensures comfort during long rides. The tuck-and-roll two-person saddle with contrasting piping adds a touch of vintage flair while providing ample support. For those planning extended journeys, the optional wind deflector can reduce wind fatigue, ensuring a comfortable ride even at high speeds. While the W800 pays homage to its classic roots, it doesn't shy away from modern technology. The assist and slipper clutch, based on racing technology, acts as both a back torque limiter and a self-servo mechanism, enabling a lighter clutch lever pull. The YarGeoFit system allows riders to customize their riding position, ensuring a personalized fit. The dual throttle valves offer increased power and greater ease of use, thanks to a second set of ECU-controlled throttle valves. The W800 boasts a fuel consumption of 4.8 liters per 100 kilometers, translating to an impressive range on its 15-liter fuel tank. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on highways, the W800 ensures fewer fuel stops, allowing you to enjoy the ride without interruptions. Owners of the W800 have praised its reliability and ease of maintenance. With a simple design devoid of complex fairings or water cooling systems, servicing becomes a straightforward task. The bike's torque delivery ensures consistent performance, even when carrying a pillion. However, some owners have noted the presence of surface rust on chrome components over time. Regular maintenance and care can mitigate this issue, ensuring the bike retains its aesthetic appeal. The 2026 Kawasaki W800 stands as a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to blending classic design with modern engineering. Whether you're drawn to its vintage aesthetics, modern features, or the promise of a comfortable ride, the W800 offers an experience that's hard to match. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of the 2026 Kawasaki W800. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with the W800 in the comments below. Until next time, ride safe and keep the spirit of motorcycling alive.